Myself Preetam Bedre. I am the Assistant Manager and for Digitalization and Automation project in our company Ashirvad by AliAccess. It was a very great event that we have participated in the KAIZEN Congress of 14th in Pune. So we have seen many of the Kaizens and we have got good ideas with respect to the new continual improvements, how it comes with other companies, and also we'll try to get these ideas implemented. And it was a very good part of good experience that we had today.
So it was a really good exposure that we got from since this was the first time that we had participated in such a prestigious event. So the learning that we had are invaluable, and definitely we will try to implement those in the coming days at our organization. And also we would be looking forward to again participate in the year ahead, in the coming years, and also encourage our other team members to participate as much as possible with the great numbers. Thank you.
Thank you.